Can I bring this forgotten treasure back to life? Let's find out. There's a powerful force that's about to sweep into your life, bringing renewal and rejuvenation in its wake. It's a divine restoration that's been promised to us, and it's on its way. This isn't just some distant hope. It's an imminent reality that's going to transform everything. Life can be overwhelming, and it's easy to feel like we're drowning in our struggles. The world seems to be falling apart, and it's hard not to get caught up in the chaos. We feel weary, drained, and like we're barely holding on. It's like the ground beneath our feet has been shaken, leaving us stumbling in the dark. We've all been there, feeling lost and alone, like we're facing a mountain with no clear path forward. The weight of our responsibilities, the pain of our past, and the uncertainty of our future can be crushing. It's like we're carrying a heavy burden, and we don't know how much longer we can keep going. Sometimes it feels like everything is crumbling around us. Our relationships, our finances, our health. We're forced to confront the cracks in our foundations, and it's a scary and uncomfortable place to be. But even in the midst of this chaos, there's a glimmer of hope. In the midst of all this turmoil, it's hard to see a way out. But that's exactly where restoration comes in, to rebuild, to renew, and to bring life back to what's been broken. It's like a master builder coming in to repair the damage, to reinforce the foundations, and to bring stability and peace. Restoration is a spiritual principle that's woven throughout the fabric of our lives. It's a divine process that touches every area: spiritual, emotional, financial, and relational. Think of it like a garden that's been neglected, but is now being lovingly tended to. The gardener prunes the dead branches, nourishes the soil, and coaxes new life out of the earth. This restoration isn't just some vague promise. It's a tangible reality that's manifesting in different areas of our lives. It's the prodigal son returning home, being welcomed with open arms, and receiving a fresh start. It's the woman with the alabaster jar pouring out her perfume and experiencing forgiveness and new life. As we stand on the threshold of this new season, I want to declare something over you. Restoration is coming, and it's coming now. It's not just some distant hope. It's an imminent reality that's unfolding in your life. You're on the verge of experiencing a breakthrough, a turning point that will shift everything. Repeat after me. My life is being restored, my soul is being renewed, and my future is being rewritten. Believe it, declare it, and watch as restoration unfolds in every area of your life. You are being made whole, you are being set free, and you are being empowered to live the life you've always dreamed of. In the midst of all this chaos, there's a sense of hope and strength available to you. Restoration isn't just coming, it's actively unfolding now. It's like a river that's flowing through your life, bringing life-giving water to every parched and barren place. If you've experienced restoration in your life, I want to hear about it. Share your testimony in the comments below, and let's encourage one another with our stories of hope and transformation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content that will help you navigate the twists and turns of life.